everyone. My name is Lindsey Latham. I am a no tools psychic medium and a psychic empath, energy healer, all of this stuff, a well-rounded psychic healer who is also a medium. Okay, so this video today, it's something that has come up. I want to explain the difference between your mind and your intuition, because I know a lot of people get confused with, is it my mind or is my intuition speaking to me? And so first off, when we're talking about intuition and psychic awareness, this can be a lot of things. This can be your inner voice. This can be your guides. This can be source consciousness. It's all a matter of perception. But when you are connecting and when you are interacting with your intuition, it is coming from beyond the mind, and it is all of those things. It is source consciousness. It is your guides. It is your intuition. It is all the same thing. So, like when I do psychic work, I connect with the person who I'm reading for. I connect with their guides specifically, and then I observe the information that the guides give me. But at the same time, I am always communicating with source consciousness, which is, from my understanding and my perspective, for one thing, in all of us, but in another thing is my intuition. So it is the communication that comes from beyond the mind, which in my body and my world is source consciousness, which is also all of us. It's in all of us. It is us. Which is why we are able to empathically connect to each other and feel each other's experience, because we are all each other. So, another hand diagram. Here we go. Say that this is source consciousness. And source consciousness wants to have many experiences in different forms. Good, bad, ugly, beautiful, all of it. So source consciousness manifests into separate bodies, but is still source consciousness, just source consciousness spread out into human bodies. So at our core, we are all one thing, experiencing life in billions of bodies. Okay. I don't know how many people are on the planet. I don't look up shit like that. And that isn't the kind of thing that I tap into ask. Okay. So now, how do you tell the difference between your mind and your ego? Because the ego is a part of the mind. Here's your mind. This is how your ego, a part of it. Kind of like how there's parts of your intuition, okay? But with the mind, I really don't think of the mind of any more separate than the ego in the mind. Okay, so this is something to keep in mind, and this is how you know. This is how you 100% know if you're communicating with your mind or if you are connecting. You're always connected to source consciousness. The only thing holding you back is your mind. That's the only thing in the way. So this is very important, and it will help you. The way that you tell the difference between the mind and intuition is the mind is going to compare, the mind is going to judge, the mind is going to talk to you like you're a piece of shit. The mind is going to berate you. The mind is going to try to imitate source consciousness, because it's like that's what it thinks it has to do. But you'll know because of the energy behind it. You'll know because if you're hearing your guides, or you're hearing source consciousness, or feeling, or whatever, it is simple truth. Simple truth based in love, does not judge others, does not compare to others, does not say things with disgust or hatred. It is just simple truth. So, okay, here's something coming up. So, if you say you're driving and you're just driving for fun, and you ask your intuition which way to go. So you check in with yourself, and you're like, and usually your intuition, you don't have to like, okay, I'm going to ask my intuition and then ask your intuition. It's like your intuition hears what you're doing. So it's immediately going to answer before you can even get your thoughts together to be like, intuition, which way should I go? It's already going to answer you. So that's one indication, and it's going to be a simple answer. Right. That's it. Your mind will be like, don't go right. No, let's not go right. Let's go left. Or no, let's go straight. That is what your mind is going to sound like. Or it'll be like, right, that's stupid. You already know what's right. Go left. It's like that shit. It's like coming up with reasons to not listen to your intuition. It is the second thing that you're going to become aware of. Your intuition is always first. It's way faster moving information before your mind can even get on board. And so and the exercises that I make help you with these things, because it helps you get used to what that fast moving information sounds like, so you can begin to catch on to it faster. So if you don't know what it looks like or sounds like, you're going to listen to your mind. But once you start catching on to what that really fast moving intuitive information sounds like, then you're going to know. And you're going to be able to tell the difference and really see the difference for what it is. Now, let me see if I can give another example. Come on, Uni. What example? Okay, with the guides. All right. So say that you request to talk to your guides. Okay. And you just want to ask them a simple question. Like, I don't even know what question, because I don't really even talk to my guides like that. All I'm trying to tell you is that your guides are not going to argue with you. There is no argument. That is your mind. There is no back and forth banter between your guides. Like, say that there's more than one guide. You're not going to be hearing your guides argue with each other. That isn't a thing. That is your mind. So, and that is your mind out of control. That is something that needs to be honed in on and gotten control of, because that's enough to drive anybody crazy. So don't think that your guides are up there arguing with each other, and don't think that if you ask your guides a question and it has any answer that's rooted in argument or judgment, that's not your guides. That is your mind. Your mind is judging you and inflicting its conditioning onto you. So, I hope that wasn't confusing. Please in the comments, let me know what questions you have pertaining to this. And I will either make a video or, I mean, I'll definitely answer you in the comments, but I will make a video, explaining things, whatever you want, having to do with spiritual awakening, psychic awakening. Just, I'll, create a channel message video for you. And, so yeah, let me know how you're doing in the comments. And I want to hear about your psychic experiences also. Let me know that in the comments too. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Lindsey Latham. And yeah, check out the exercises. They will help you. All right, bye.